friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen salmon burgers in the air fryer. So let's open up a package of frozen salmon burgers. So no need to defrost. They're frozen solid. The air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. So let's put the frozen salmon burgers in the air fryer. So it's okay if they overlap a little bit, they shrink as they cook. And now I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer, and let's set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's set the time to 12 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the salmon burgers. Look at that, they're perfectly cooked and look amazing. Now let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. And I didn't flip them because it's not necessary, but they're cooked on both sides. If you'd like, you can flip them halfway through, but it's not necessary. And now let's try it. Let me just cut one so you'll see it's cooked inside. See, it's perfectly cooked salmon burger straight from frozen. And now let's try it. Amazing. It's a perfectly cooked salmon burger straight from frozen. You will love cooking frozen salmon burgers in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!